So today we have a very special guest, and I welcome to all of you to this transformative conversation with Anushka. She is an expert weight loss and health coach who is changing lives with her powerful and sustainable methods. And not only does she help people with weight loss or achieve their peak health, but she also empowers them and balance all their aspects of life like health, wealth, relationship, and personal growth. She's also a life coach and a mind transformation coach also. So today we will uncover her secrets and how she helps millions of lives. And a very warm welcome, Anushka.
Thank you so much, Shipra. Thanks for inviting me on your platform. I'm very excited for this conversation, and this conversation is going to be very blockbuster and inspiring. I,
Exactly.
I am sure.
Right,
Yes.
right, right. So, Anushka, your journey is very inspiring because I read your bio, which you shared. And what sparked your passion for helping people achieve that sustainable weight loss or peak health, and how it shaped who you are today?
Yeah. So actually, by profession, I am into IT sector, corporate world. I
Okay.
have been in, it's
Mm,
like 9 years of corporate experience I am
mm,
holding, and I have been in IT sector for so long after doing my engineering. But
okay.
always there was this one thing that was dissatisfaction and the feeling that I am not meant for it. One thing is having a skill to do something, and another thing being passionate to do something. Yeah.
Right.
So working in IT sector, working in corporate world was just like I have a good skill, and based
Mm,
upon that I have been earning very good money. But
right.
that satisfaction factor is
Mm,
not there because my personality, my interest, my passion does
mm,
not match with the work I used to do. Okay.
okay.
So then
Right.
after over a long period of time, I realized that I can't spend my whole life working on something which I don't love. So
Right.
that I have to convert my passion, interest into my profession. I basically did marriage of two things. My expertise is weight loss and health coaching,
Mm,
and
right.
my passion is to coach people. I
Okay.
love to coach people. So basically, I married these two things
Very good.
together, and that's
Right.
how I came on this journey as a
Mm,
weight loss and health coach. And
mm,
also, of course, because this problem I have solved for myself, and I
mm,
have done 5 years of research to find
mm,
out the world's easiest, fastest,
right.
healthiest, and most, I would say, sustainable way to lose
Mm,
weight and achieve peak health. So I
right.
don't want to be selfish, where I am just serving on to a small fragment of my company. And
Exactly.
there in corporate sector, I was not getting chance to transform real lives of people. Yeah,
Mm,
right. And if I have solved a big problem for myself, and and I have done so many case studies, research
mm,
on
mm,
hundreds of people, then how
mm,
can I keep this to just to myself? And that's
right.
how I decided, no, it's okay. I don't get highly paid per month security basis. I am not
Mm,
getting paid. That's fine to me. But the
mm,
satisfaction which I'm getting now in transforming the lives of people,
right.
it's like
Mm,
it's so beautiful. And
right.
that's the reason I have kept my IT job on hold for some time. I'm still
Mm,
in a company, but
mm,
I'm on non-paid leaves, which means
mm,
I'm leaving couple of lakh of rupees on the table just
right.
to do this work, because I
Mm,
want all the participants who join my
mm,
program, I want to give
mm,
my best to change,
mm,
to transform their life in terms of weight
mm,
and health. So
mm.
that's how this journey, and yeah.
Yeah, really. And your journey is so beautiful. Like you were in an IT and how you came here in weight loss or health coach as a. So it's really inspiring.